Are we here? I'm pretty sure we're here. Good morning, Thursday morning, everybody. Hopefully all of you guys are having a good day so far today. We got Ugandan Toad, Riptide Redemption, Arcres, Alan, Brett, Texas, and Joanne. Joanne, you wake up early, don't you? Aren't you the one? No, maybe that's a different one. No, that's a different one. You're not from Alaska. It's a different one. Joanne, what's going on? Good morning to you. Brett, we are up 0.5%, 0.5%, 0.70% now. Look at that, man. Making gains. 0.7, oh, 0.60. We're going back down to your 0.5, but it's okay. Alan says, good morning. Arcras, morning. And Riptide Redemption, morning. And cooking rice and beans. Anyone want some? Ugandan Toad. I want some rice and beans. Come on now. What kind of rice, though? We got brown rice, white rice. What are we looking at? Let me know on the rice, man. And the beans, too. We got black beans? What are my choices here? That's what I need to know. All right. We have some new support and resistance to look at today on a daily chart. Let's put this right where we're at right now, because that looks like a decent level of support right here at the open for the day. If we fall down through that bad boy, oh no. Intraday low of 42.37. That's what we got to watch out for. And the daily high at 44.90. Decent bars on the chart right now, so let's watch and see what happens with those. Hopefully we bounce off that and get a nice rise to the upside. Sup, homies? What's going on, Todd? Or Tom, not Todd, sorry. Basmati? I don't even know what Basmati is, dude. You got me on that one. Claybro, I can choose Fidelity or Webull for trading. Do you feel Webull is safer than Robinhood? Arcres, yeah, man, I use Webull. That's what I got on the chart on the screen right now. I use Webull, and I do not and have not had a problem with them. So, based on my experience, I think they're safer than Robinhood, and I don't have a problem with them. If you do not like Webull, you can use Fidelity. If you want to use Webull, hey man, and you don't have an account, use the link in the description below. You're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing so. Basmati is a fine rice. Well, look at you, Brett. How do you guys know so much about food? It just blows my mind. Laura, AMC, AQST, with a heart. Laura fell in love with AMC and AQST. Look at that. That's beautiful. Love is in the air, guys. AMC, AQST. I wonder if Trey Subway Cup's making any money on AQST so far. Because he said he's fully in on AMC and AQST. His portfolio is made up of 2 stocks. Those are it. That's all he's got. Hope he's making money. Cool mug. Thank you very much, Tom. I appreciate that. Good luck, Clay and gang. Crypto Rocketeer. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. And yes, we're going to be doing very well today. I think we're going to bounce off this level of support right here. And we're going to rip all the way back up to 55. We're going to test it. We're going to break through it. Then we're going to go 55. Did I say 55? 45, right? I don't know if I said 45 or 55 now. And then, because I was thinking about cryptos, 55. But then, 48. Following that, it's going to be nice. Brett, good morning, Sam Blow. Good morning, Brett. Good morning. Now, I wonder, Sam and Brett, it might be the same person. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Sam. All in caps. Are you guys in the same room? You guys trying to act like you aren't together right now? Basmati's the best rice. Shruti knows her rice. Guys, I don't even know if I've ever had Basmati. Am I saying it right? Basmati? Basmati? I don't even know how to say it. Like, don't make fun of me. I've never had it. How you doing? Scrappy, I'm doing good. How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning, Caesar. Morning, Paul. Oh, man, look at all these warm welcomes coming right now. Good morning, Brett and Sam Blow. Oh, no. Rocket, Sam, and Brett are all in the same place right now. All with the caps and all saying good morning to each other so that we don't think anything of it. I bet you have. Brett, maybe I have then, but I just didn't know. Like, I don't think I've cooked it, is what I'm trying to say. I may have had it before, but I don't think I've cooked it. Iglet, nice mug. My grandson would kill for that. Spider-Man, obsessed. Alan, don't let him kill me, dude. Like, go get him a mug. Go get a mug. I love Spider-Man, too. Like, just go grab him one. I don't want to die. Man, not yet, at least. GSAT is looking very good. What is it up today, man? GSAT is, they're the 5G company, right? They only have the 5G towers out there. Is that them? You get like 30 pounds at Costco. Dude, I want 30 pounds of rice. Can you get it at Sam's Club? Shooty. XO. Good morning, Clay. How's Chip Bro? Timothy. I have no idea how Chip Bro is. I don't know when chipmunks like start preparing for winter or what the deal is, but I have not seen Chip Bro in a good 4 days. And before that, I saw him like over there. He wasn't even by his hole. He was just running alongside the house. So I have no idea. Hopefully he's all right, man, because I haven't seen him in like 4 days. I meant good morning, not good luck. Either way, Crypto Rockets here. We want luck and morning. Marine Corps brat, we need to know how you doing, how you holding up. How's your family member, friend, whoever it is that was in the hospital, how they holding up? Everything good? We never check in on you. How are you doing, Clay? Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. Dude, I'm doing good, actually. I'm doing good. Better than Chip, bro, because I've been spotted within the last 4 days. And always staying happy, man. Always staying positive. I'm doing good right now. Slightly, listen, man, I went outside. I was sitting on the patio this morning. It's slightly cooler here in Ohio. I think that just like the weather decided that it's September. So as soon as September hit, we got like a little cool front coming in. And now it's a lot cooler than it was in August when it was 90 degrees and humid as can be, and you sweat immediately after going outside. So I don't know if I'm going to have to adjust to like slightly cooler temperatures or what. But other than that, man, I'm doing great. That is pretty cool. Oh, what is pretty cool? Oh, the Spider-Man mug. Yeah, Spider-Man mug too. Nice, Scrappy. We both got Spider-Man mugs. Looks like we bounced right off that support. Let's do it, baby. Hey, Clay, should have checked out BGFV yesterday. Warren Buffett. Yeah, listen, I'm gonna be honest though, dude. I didn't type the symbol in. I didn't type the ticker in, and then I was thinking about that last night. Like, what did that dude? I thought it was like BGQF or something, and I couldn't find anything. And I'm like, what did that dude say to go check out? And I didn't go check it out because I couldn't remember what you said, and I didn't write it down yesterday. Is it ripping today? It's probably ripping today, isn't it, man? It's probably ripping, and I could have got in. Can you say hello to my mom, Delia, or Delia Santiago? Mrs. Senora Santiago, good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a good day. Juan is a good kid. Senora Santiago. Did I do good, Juan? I don't know, man. Did I do good? I didn't get the first name right, so I had to go with Mrs. Santiago or Miss Santiago. Senora Santiago, I hope you're having a great day today. I got you, Juan. Got you, man. Brett had a Geik Bro. Credit Brett for the name at his place last night. What? Geik Bro. Is that like Geico? I don't even know. Geek Bro? Geik Bro? At his place last night. What is a Geik Bro? Dude, is this like a play on something that I wouldn't know? You did good. She's laughing. Nice! Senora Santiago, bon dia. Buenos dias. Good morning. I don't know where you're from. Brett, we don't check in on Nickelback either. How is Nickelback doing? I forgot to check on Nickelback in the basement last night. Oh, crap. Nickelback! Sounds like he's doing good, dude. Sounds like he's doing good. I forgot to check on him, though. I'm going to be honest, man. I didn't even feed him last night. So hopefully Nickelback is good. It sounded like I could hear a little bit of mumbling down there. So I think he's going to be fine. Very excited. Shout out. Hello. Oh, man, come on now. Come on. I forgot to say. Brett, man, thank you for the super chat. Golly, bum, man. I can't believe I'm not even saying thank you for that. Brett, thank you very much. Nickelback says thank you as well, man. Nickelback says thank you as well for checking in on him because I forgot to. So thank you for reminding me that I've got Nickelback living in the basement. A gecko. It was a gecko. A Gek Bro. Now I get it. It's like a Geico commercial, a little Gek Bro. Dude, I want a Gek Bro. I want a little gecko. Marine Corps Brat. Hi, Marine Corps Brat. How are you? Where did Marine Corps Brat? Did she say she's doing okay? I might have missed it in the chat, though. Good morning, Crypto Rocketeer. Rocket. Marine Corps Brat, you're doing good, though, right? Can you say hey to my aunt that my aunt that just died? No, dude, sloth investor. Impossible, man. Can't speak to the other side. Clay, do you think AMC is a risky investment? Neil, yeah, man. I do think it's a risky investment. Safe investments, if you're investing in the fundamentals. Like, if you could say, okay, this company is fundamentally undervalued right now. It's trading at $10. It's worth $20. That's a safe investment, dude. That's a safe investment. If you're going to go out there and you're going to look at AMC, which is fundamentally valued at, I don't know, like $5, and it's trading at 43, but if everybody sticks to the plan, could be trading at 4,300, then yeah, I mean, that adds to the risk. So it's definitely a risky investment, man, but the risk to reward ratio is there. Shaver allergy medication, chipmunk. We have a problem. We do, man. We do have a problem. Where is the chipmunk, Brian? We all need to know. I bet 10-1 odds that even with all the time he spends lifting that nickelback, still neglects his... Dude, he probably does, Sam. He probably does. But you know what? That's why he wears jeans. Can't really see him. Good morning, Clay fam. Miguel, good morning to you. Thank you, Clay, bro. Marine Corps Brat, thank you for being with us and hanging out with us every single day. My goodness, you're amazing. Marine Corps Brat, hope everything continues to get better. Me too. Me too. AMC jumped around quadruple witching day every time. Next one is in September. Joseph, what day in September, man? Let us know. I want to know when AMC is going to go up. Come on now. Did I miss anything in the chat? It's okay, Clay. You'll get the next stock. Yeah, we're up 4%. Dude, it's up 4% on the day, man. I can still get in BGFV. Come on. You know I could. As soon as it breaks through that $37. If it breaks through $37.75, dude, you could be running. How is that only 4% on... I think something's wrong with that. Oh, no, that was weekly. Yeah, 4% on... Dude, is running. Why did you tell me yesterday? Why didn't you tell me last week? Come on, Warren Buffett. You're supposed to be better than that. You should have told me last week instead of yesterday. Let's see. Thank you, Rocket. Yes, look at these... Look at these calves! Flexes in the bathroom mirror with disappointment. Oh, man, no disappointment. Look at these calves! Who is sticking it to the AMC plan? Me. Casey, I am sticking to the AMC plan. I hope that everybody else is as well. You should see Brett's Sam Blow. Very nice. Good calves, man. Like a sock full of rocks. Oh, God. My Doge is finally green, guys. Sam, nice, man. Your Doge was actually green yesterday. I remember watching. I saw it yesterday at 28.88. And I'm like, yeah, Sam's green. Now you're in the 30s, aren't you? Doge is in the 30s right now. I'm pretty sure. We were worried about your 29.57. It was 30 this morning, though. I saw it. 29.57. Sam's Doge is green. Good deal. I don't even know what to come up with, Rocky. Sometimes you just like you just gotta go with the first thing that comes to your mind. For some reason, that was the first thing that came to my mind. I don't even know. I just said it anyway. I probably will live to regret it later. Rockets, are they girthier than a freshly shaved boom boom candle? They might be, Sam. You might know. Sticking it like a fresh... What, Sam? Sticking it like a what now? Sticking to it like a... that's your plan? You're sticking to the plan. Okay, now I got it. Ew, Tom. Marine Corps says, ew. Ew, Tom. What are you talking about, man? Ew. Yeah, they were good. I'm up like 17 cents. So I'm close to quitting my job. Perfect, Sam. That is the exact attitude we need, because if you're that positive, man, you're gonna be with us for the long haul. 24 years old. Is it bad that I put most of my savings in AMC? I have 5XX shares. Neil, no, dude. Listen, man. It's a risky investment, right? Some people have done very well. I don't know when you got into AMC, but some people are all in on AMC. I'm not all in on AMC. Couldn't in good faith tell you to go all in on AMC, but the people that did early on are doing very well right now. I don't think that we've squeezed yet, so I think that we've got so much more potential. So even if you did go basically all in, I still think you got a lot of potential to make a lot of money there. And 5XX shares, dude, you're killing it, man. 24 with 5XX shares, you're doing good. Good morning, Clay. Hello, everyone. Natalie, good morning to you. Glad you're hanging out with us. Yes, it looks like Looney Tunes magnet. I guarantee I missed something on the Looney Tunes magnet, man. But I want a Looney Tunes magnet. If anybody's got a Looney Tunes magnet out there, give me one. 1993 away from my $20 quit my job goal. Sam! Guys, Sam's got a plan. Sam's sticking to the plan. That's the most important thing you can do. Make a plan like Sam, and then stick to that plan. $20 job quitting goal. He's ready. 17 cents in. I love it, Sam. The best time to go YOLO is when you are young. Yeah, dude, best time to YOLO is when you're young, because if you're like, I don't know, 68 and you're retired already and you're living off your retirement fund and you're like, yeah, YOLO AMC. Well, dude, if you YOLO on AMC and it doesn't work out for you, You don't really have any time to do anything else. So go back and get a job at 68. You're not going to like it. Neil, my dude, I throw my life into AMC and I'm 25. My life savings is like 5x whatever is like 5x what it's ever been. So of the study size of one we just pooped. What to me? There's a 100% chance it was a good call for you. Sam, Neil, hopefully that made sense to you, man, because it didn't really make sense to me. It might just be that whole Gen Z thing. Like, no hat, man, no hat. I went full send on AMC, YOLO, baby. You guys speak a different language than I do. And Neil, Sam, Neil, I hope it worked out for you. Pulled, not pulled. This is awkward. This is a little awkward there, Sam. I don't know why you're getting auto-corrected into saying stuff like that, but Winkleworm. Denny, what's going on, man? Good morning, 56, and retired since 54. Very nice, TT. Kia, Aura, Clay. Good morning, Enzo. Oh, okay. Sam, I have no idea what you said. Oh, come on, you guys are supposed to know each other's language. Now he says, Clay, when are we going to break through that 48 line of resistance? Get your magic 8 ball and let us know. I don't understand why this lava lamp makes me sneeze. I don't know, sometime next week maybe. Maybe sometime in the future. That's all I got. Lava lamp's still a little cold. It'll warm up a little bit later and I'll ask it again. Hey, Nick/Eshan. It would be nice to go into the weekend as a millionaire if AMC did squeeze tomorrow. Just saying. Yes, I'm cool. I'm telling you right now. Oh crap, Nick's gonna yell at me. If AMC squeezes tomorrow and we all go into the weekend as millionaires, I will be happy for all of us. Lava lamp strokes work too. Gosh, yeah, but lava lamp strokes make me sneeze and I don't know why. But it's still cold. Like, it doesn't work. I didn't get anything. It was all blurry. I'm going to have to get it tomorrow. Get it later today when it warms up. Tomorrow's a fake squeeze day. Oh, no. Fake squeeze? I don't want fake squeezes. Let's make Thursday the best day ever. Now, if that's something you're interested in, let's get started. We are going to make Thursday the best day ever, guys. You better believe it. Thursday, best day ever. Bouncing off this line right here. Never touching it again. Let's go. Let's go. Never touching it again. Purple. Let's get it. I'm on. Sample size of 1 being me making 5x for YOLOing life savings means statistically you have a 100% chance of... Okay, there you go. Yeah, Sam Blow. Now we understand. Sam Blow went all in, 5x'd his money. So there you go. Sample size of 1 guarantees that you've got a 100% chance of also 5x'ing your money. You are gonna do very well on YouTube, man. You're gonna do very well in the social media realm of statistics and math. Your sample sizes will not get questioned, and your gain percentages will not get questioned. You guarantee everybody 5x's their money on AMC. I like it, dude. Guaranteed to happen because it happened with 100% of the sample size. Clay, the line you drew has set us up for a filthy cup and handle, my dude. Oh, it has. It has. Look at this filthy. Look at this. It's even got one of those little dips at the bottom so that the cup doesn't fall over. Woo! And then it got the cup, and then where's the handle going to go? Right there. Dang, man. Sam is watching. Sam's watching like a hawk, man. All right, full Weeble, because I got to silence my phone before Nick F yells silence. You don't need any of that. You don't need Nick F getting on me and yelling silence. Nick F ain't even in here. Where's that dude at? Where's that dude at? I don't even know. Natalie, Lauren, good morning. Good afternoon, darling. I hope that you're having a wonderful day today. You say I hold, I say hold and buy more. You say I hold, I say hold and buy more. That's what I'm talking about, Denny. Don't just hold, hold and buy more, man. You can do it. Silence! Compliments of Nick F. Thank you, Rocket, because I don't know where he's at, but I'm sure he would have yelled it if he was here. Good morning, Claybro and community. Good morning, AMC Trapper. What's going on? Breathing intensifies. Looking at the cup and handle. That's a good cup we got there. That's a really good cup. Oh, man. I like the cup and handle. George W. Doritos Stair Step. Sergeant Baloney. That sounds delicious, man. I want one of those. People relying on me to do their buying to move the price up. Denny, we need your rage buys every once in a while, man. We need your rage buys, dude. Luke. Darn, Lauren is cute. Get it? What do you mean, Luke? Luke, Lauren. Lauren, Luke. Good things can happen in this chat, man. Good things can happen. For you, too. Except you were talking about Coke yesterday, so stop talking about that today if you want to talk to Lauren, all right? Clean it up. I got to look out for her. Luke, Lauren. Lauren, Luke. Both L's. W's. Where did I get W? Both L's. I like it. Okay, I'll buy 10 of my KPLT profits after market. I'll buy 10 today off my KPLT profits. Gotcha, Claude. Gotcha. 10. Good deal. Claude's rage buying too. Lauren, Clay. Luke, Lauren, Clay. Lauren, Clay, Luke. Lauren, Clay. Ooh. It's getting pretty intense there, Luke. I don't know about this one, man. Justin, these big avocados are getting heavy. What now? Sup, Clay, bro? Diffy dog. Sam Blow slides 5 under the counter at the gas station for chips and a drink, whispering, YOLO. That's what I'm talking about, Brett. YOLO, baby. Trust Clay on this one. You'll meet a lot of ladies in here. For some reason, it happens, man. For some reason, I don't know why, but some reason it happens. Pringleton, Rocket. Oh, what's up, my guys? AMC Trapper wants to know, what's up, my guys? How you doing? Hey, AMC Trapper. And my girls, Natalie says, what's up? Clay, this old ape has, this old ape, okay, I don't know what the elf was in there. This old ape has 130 shares, been buying 4 to 5 every paycheck, so I'm ready to ride that rocket to the moon. Adria Perez, very, very nice. The more shares you get, the bigger that moon's gonna be. Where that Slip Jones at? I don't know, Slip Jones, where you at, man? I like your style. Me too. Sam Blow, I like Brett's style. Well, I'm from Holland, so I don't know. Maybe my head looks like someone. Could. Dude, hold on. Tom is from Holland. Is this Tom Holland? My chat right now? Did we just figure something out? Is this Tom Holland? What's up, AMC? What's up, AMC? What's up, Yow? Clay Breezy, let's hit 50 today. Droman, I'd be on with hitting 50, but I don't know if we're going to hit 50 today, man. Maybe tomorrow. Clay, an anonymous tipster has let me know you have to, what? You have summon in your teeth. Alright, well, yeah, I did, man. There, it tasted good. It was broccoli from last night. Lava lamp looks like it's dead, bro. Nah, it's just cold, man. It's not dead. Usually I turn it on at like 9, and I forgot to turn it on until right before the stream. A spice is stuck in the chompers, buddy. What? There's no way. Hold on. There's no way. I don't see anything. Man. There's no way. There's no way, dude. You guys got me all worried now. Rocket! Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that, man. Now I gotta look at this. I'm gonna pull up the camera on the tablet, and we're gonna see if this is actually real or if you guys are faking me out. MC Trapper, hey, Brett, Mike. Dude, you guys are so mad. Everybody just says hello to everybody else. Tom from the farm for Clay without Old Spice. Yes, Amcool Bacon Sean. Gross! Oh, no. Ask Brett if there's anything in here that seems to be very, very close. Watching those... Yeah. Brett, we need to know, man. Claude, thank you for the super chat. Let's see what Claude's got to say. Buy 4 or 5 shares of AMC weekly from your paycheck. It'll be better than your 401k. Good till the squeeze. Yeah, man, I can almost guarantee. I can't guarantee anything in life, right? But I can almost guarantee you're going to make more money on AMC squeezing than your 401k is going to making you 4% this year. So, yes. Marine Corps Brat, a salute to you. Good morning. Carlos, I have 41 shares at 42.93. Hope we stay consolidated at 43.44 and end the week at 47. I hope so, too, Carlos. American Dream, 6.2. I know this dude just changes his name over and over again. There's no way he's got so many American Dream counts. Claybro, Global Star went up 24% earlier. I got out at 22% operate. Everyone is doing awesome. American Dream, nice, man. Killing it on GSAT. I love it, dude. 24% and you got out at 22%. What's it doing now? Did it I know. Don't ever look at the stock like after you get out. Then you got to worry if it went up, if it went down, whatever. You don't need to worry about that kind of stuff. It's going to be good if you don't. Like, shoulda, coulda, wouldas will kill you, man. 22 out of the 24%. Extremely nice. Let me see if it's still on the daily gainers. Oh, yeah, it made 22. Now it's only up 19% today. Very, very good. American Dream. I love it. Moon Gang. I'm going to the moon with my favorite rocket shoes. Say Moon Gang to K. What, Nick? What, Ishan? Come now. Clay, can you show us an Ortex when shares are being covered so we don't sell early when the mother of our short squeeze happens? No, I cannot. I don't have Ortex data. So I cannot tell you the Ortex data. However, Nick has Ortex updates, so Nick can help us out with the Ortex updates. But you need to remember, Ortex updates are estimated. They do not know for a fact what is happening. It's just all a guess, dude. So if you want to rely on Ortex data, yes, that's something that you can do, but you have to keep in mind that it is it's an estimate at that point. What helped Global Star was they secured a deal with Apple to incorporate satellite communications with the Apple 13 iPhone. Very nice, man. I didn't even read up on the news on them. I just knew they were ripping. I think they're the ones. Are they the ones that have the 5G technology and they've got that? Do they also have that like monthly box you can get where you sign up, you get like their I don't know, wilderness package or whatever, and they've got all those different satellite phones. It sounds like they're the ones that have that, because there's two that are very similar that start with a G. But I don't know what the other one is. GSAT and something that starts with a G. I've talked about both those before. Nick F, good morning, bros. Good morning, Clay. What is going on, Nick F? We're glad you're in here. The phone is silenced right now. I've been in here 4 days in a row, Clay. You play your cards right. I'll be here tomorrow, too. Heck, I might even hit the like button. Chad, that's what I'm talking about. I will play my cards right, dude. I will play, because you don't even understand how important that like button is. You really don't. Chad, hit the like button, dude. Don't make me sweat. Don't make me sweat. Oh, my gosh. Dude, so my trend line, I'm sorry. The cup is broken, Sam. The cup is broken. We went down through that trend. We'll just, look. get a bigger cup now. Oh, wow. See how that works? It's nice, isn't it? Elizabeth, are you here? Sam wants to know, is Global Star has low-flying communication satellites that they want to rent out to communications companies like Nokia? Dang, man. Sounds pretty good. Oh, wait, when does milk finally expire? I heard it was still a hot commodity last night. Dude, I love Sam. Sam watches the videos. Yeah, that milk is still definitely a hot commodity, and I don't think it has an expiration. I really don't. That's why it's such a hot commodity, man, and they're willing to pay for it because it's unexpirable milk. That just reminded me, so I hit the like button. Cassie, thank you very much. I don't even know if Lauren said hi to me today, Nick F, so you should feel very special because I'm pretty sure she just came in here and started saying hi to everybody except me. Lauren, good morning. If you said hi to me, I'm sorry. I don't remember. I just like messing with you. I remember you used to call people in the old days. Sergeant, yeah, dude, you used to call people in the old days, and then you would actually talk to them on the phone. Speaking of last night, were those $5 seats that became $10, $15, and $20, were those for a Nickelback concert? They were, dude. They were, but I didn't want to say it because I don't want to lose subscribers. If so, they should have sold for at least $25. I knew somebody would ask about that, but I didn't want to say that they were for a Nickelback concert. I just wanted to say they were for a concert. Yeah, concert tickets are easy to flip, and it was definitely a Nickelback concert. You got me on that one. I knew I should have charged more for them. Market price is way over $20. It's $25. Sorry, Late was cutting a tree down, and chain popped. Why isn't it as easy to pop it back on like a bike chain? Nick, you got to turn the chainsaw off before you pop the chain back on, man. That's probably why it's not as easy. Natalie, oh man, Nick says Natalie, Shrudy, Samblo, Nick F, what's up, peeps? Oh my gosh, everybody's friends in here. Checking in with a like, watching in Celeste, Texas. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. Garth, dude, Garth is totally Garth. You gotta hang out with us more, man. You gotta hang out with us more. You're a dude named Garth from Texas. I mean, that's about as Texas as I can think right now. There's nobody named Garth in Ohio. I can almost guarantee it. Garth is totally a Texas name. You're one of us now, Garth. Thank you. Nick F, I bet you wear the heck out of a flannel. Shoot, man. I bet Nick F don't even own a flannel. Nick F lumberjack first thing in the morning while the rest of us are just regular. Yes, Nick is lumberjacking in the morning, and the rest of us are just regular jacking first thing in the morning. Oh my God, Brett. First thing I said was hello, Lauren. Well, hello to you. Oh man, I just wanted to see you say it again. That's all. Support Clay. Hit the like button, everybody. Thank you very much, new foe. Less than highly favored. That's what I'm talking about, AMC Trapper. Cassie is in here. Yes, she is, new foe. He sounds amazing. He does sound amazing. Rocket. I have no other way to lumberjack. I have no other way to lumberjack. That's the best way to do it. To lumberjack, to lumberjack. Clay, how are you doing? You are here every day answering all of our questions, but how are you doing? What is this? Check on Clay Day? Because Rocket did the same thing earlier, Natalie. Are you looking forward to fall in Ohio? Halloween. Natalie, you probably felt it this morning too. And Nick F, you probably felt it this morning too. I was sitting outside this morning before the stream, and I'm like, wow. It kind of feels like fall might be right around the corner because there's a little chill in the air right now. It's not like the 90-degree super humid days where you walk outside and you instantly start sweating that we've had last week. I'm like, wow, this is different. This is very, very different. Did you guys feel the same thing? That's the only thing that's going on in my life right now, Natalie. I do appreciate you asking, though. Natalie loves it. I was wondering, because my hoodie's over there on the couch. I'll give you guys a little disclaimer after I say, Tom P from Holland, man. Tom Holland, thank you very much for becoming a bro. I love it, guys. You know what I want to see right now? I want to see 152 welcome Tom P's into the chat. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. I love the green names, guys. Thank you very much, Tom. Absolutely. You are one of us now, man. You became a bro. You can become a bro right here, like a Zach D'Alonzo, by clicking the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. I know that 46% of you guys don't subscribe to the channel, so just click the subscribe button. Like, I know you're out there. Do that, and then click the blue join button and become a green name. Sam Blow! Thank you for the super chat. Sam Blow says, Clay, how are you doing? Everyone's always asking, is this a cup and handle? And never, how is your favorite cup and handle, Clay? Well, you know what? My favorite cup and handle is doing very well this morning. It is, what would you consider that? 33% of the way full? That's where the coffee's at in there. About 33% of the way full, maybe? Would you guys give it like a 40? I don't know. I'd give that like almost a 40%, I think. I'd give it like a 40. See? It's gonna pour out. It's gonna pour out. I don't know. It looks lower when you gotta tilt the cup, but so right there. You guys rate that. Is that like 40, would you say? 40%? I'd say it's about 40. Dude, favorite cup and handle is doing very well right now. And thank you very much. This must be check on Clay Day today because everybody wants to know how I'm doing. Do I look like I'm doing bad or something? Now I wonder, like, do I look like I'm doing bad? Because if I am, I gotta change something. Gotta go hang out with Nick F again or something. I don't know. Clay, add some creamer to that coffee. No, Natalie, I can't do it. If I go add some creamer, I'm gonna be running to the bathroom or something. It's just gonna be bad news. We don't want that. We're just gonna drink black coffee. It's better than adding cream anyway. Mick Slibble, Clay, seriously, how are you? Tell me about your feelings. Mick Slibble, I knew you were the one out there that cared the most about my feelings. I am feeling very normal right now. If I had to if I had to rate my feelings on a scale of not normal to abnormal, I would say normal would be my feelings. I don't know what else to say about that. Just feel pretty normal. Feel good? Feel good normal? It's a safe place, Clay. Mix Lipple, I know it is. Black coffee's where it's at, Clay. That's what I'm talking about, Rocket. Drink that black coffee, dude. No sugar, no cream, just straight black. Clay, checking Clay today, and everybody's celebrating. I like it, man. I like it. Does anyone have any idea how long of a time period we were waiting for the squeeze? Could it be years? Within months? Yes. Yes, Papa. It could be years, could be within months. Hopefully it's within months, not years. Hello, Natalie. Hello, Lauren. Love you all. P.S. Rocket and Brett, Texas are my step bros, and we do exclusive content on the FUB once every 3 business days. There you go, guys. There you go. It's exclusive. It's exclusive. It's crazy, man. And Nick F, he left without saying goodbye. Never. I would never do that. You just leave without saying goodbye again. Never. You guys don't understand, man. We were hanging out over the weekend. I had to pee so bad I just left and came home because the bathroom's occupied. So I was like, forget this. I'm going home. Clay, bro, drinking that black coffee like he's in jail. No. AMC Trapper, I'm not drinking the black coffee like I'm in jail, man. I'm drinking the black coffee like I enjoy a cup of black coffee. I've never heard anybody put it that way before in my life. So I guess now we know that AMC Trapper likes the finer things in life, like cream and sugar. Okay, so we know that You know that AMC Trapper is not a black coffee kind of guy because he's not out there drinking black coffee like he's in jail. Lauren, if you're at Clay's, keep it quiet or I have to yell at you too. Oh, no, don't yell at Lauren. Please don't yell at Lauren. I don't want you yelling at Lauren. Of course, I'm going to howl. Oh, nice, Lauren. Just, shh. I don't, shh. Yeah, Lauren, don't yell. That's the fourth comment not seen. Chris, I saw the fourth one, man. I saw the fifth one. Then AMC will continue his downtrend until the Hot Boys and Girls webcam comes back. I'm calling it now. Man, I hope they come back soon. We need them. AMC Trapper, he likes his coffee, he likes his strong and bitter. Absolutely, Natalie. 100%. How did you know? How did you know? Zamblo, his name is his name for a reason, and let me tell you, life-changing, and everything is bigger in Texas. We all know that. Oh my God, we love you too. Yes, we do. Nobody likes their coffee sweet and brown. Nufo, yes, some people like their coffee sweet and brown. Joebird sip that Nestle canned coffee with their spreads. You guys are crazy, man. Oh gosh, you've never heard of jail coffee? No, I've never been to jail, dude, so I've never heard of jail coffee. Must be nice to live in the basement of such a nice ship as a stowaway with Nickelback. It must be, man. It must be. Do you guys all know what jail coffee is? Because I apparently don't know what jail coffee is. You guys are killing me right now. Oh my gosh. Carlos, very nice, man. Free and hot. There you go. Nick F, no, I'm in a car driving on the wrong side of the road, dodging bins. Okay, it definitely sounds like I am going to be the one driving Lauren around, and she is not going to be the one driving me around, ever. That just sounds like a time of my life, doesn't it? I'm in St. Louis. I'm in STL Rocket low-key. STL. St. Louis, we getting another one. St. Louis Rocket low-key saying I do not have a boom boom candle. Rest in peace. I don't know. I think STL may have gone over my head on that one. I'm not sure. Natalie, it was a gift. I'll cherish your nickel forever. I will never give your nickel back. It does sound like it was a gift at this point. Marine Corps Brat. Hello, Marine Corps Brat. You guys are all saying hi to each other. I'm from Colorado. Let's go. Love the positivity. Great to see your smiling face. Daphne, it's great to see your hair. Pretty sure that's your hair in that tiny little picture that I see there. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I mean, that looks like hair. Can't tell. Good to know, Marine Corps Brat. It is good to know the Marine Corps Brat. It is. I add chocolate when I want my coffee brown and sweet with blonde highlights. Dude, you guys really are on top of your coffee game. I have $45 call options for tomorrow, and now I'm scared because most of my Friday is always red day for AMC. What do you think? Hey, man, just because previous Fridays have been red days doesn't mean that every Friday is going to be a red day. Especially if we fall down today. Let's go big for a second. And especially if we fall down today and we end up bouncing off like a level of support down here or in this area, and then we bounce off and retest that $48 level. So I don't think that it's guaranteed tomorrow or any Friday for that matter is a red day. He said, everything's bigger in Texas. I am not in Texas, so he indirectly is saying my boom boom candle leaves something to be desired. Gotcha. All right. STL. I would assume St. Louis, but I'm not sure. And, yeah, everything's good on the boom booms in St. Louis, too, apparently. From what I hear, the sample size 5x'd, and it's 100% guaranteed. Nope, I think it's a picture of me. I do have hair on my head, though. Yeah, it's just really difficult to see because it's so small, but I think you have brown hair. Thank you so much. Coffee is huge on the West Coast. Starbucks, Terra Mia, Krispy Kreme, etc. always have full lines in Southern California. Dude, just get your coffee at your house. Why you gotta go to a place and buy coffee? MC Trevor says, I drink tea every morning. Coffee makes me use the bathroom. Facts, dude. Why do you think I drink this thing so slow? Why do they, like, it's 40% full. By the time the stream is over, it's probably going to be, like, what is that, 25% full? Yeah, dude. I think I have some tea here, actually, that I could make, too. I could do that. We could be like an AMC Trapper tribute day and drink tea instead of coffee. What are you doing up here, Rocket? You trying to get your local prison coffee? Yes, that is exactly what Rocket is trying to do. I'll be around Clayton in a week or two. Why is everybody coming to Ohio? Like, why do people come to Ohio? That's what I really need to know. Send pics of you in the bathroom or it didn't happen. Diffy Dog. Hey, DM me on Twitter, man. I'll make sure you get a copy and nobody else. Coffee's a diuretic. Joanne, it definitely works. Lauren, a lot of things don't make sense over here. I don't think anything makes sense over here, man. What did Ugandan Toad say? Somebody's laughing. I missed it. Ugandan Toad. Neil, I live in Bedfordshire, England. Sorry, can't make it. Darn it, man. It's alright. Why does everybody live in either England or Ohio? It's ridiculous. Because Starbucks is the place to see people and make friends. Starbucks coffee isn't even that good. What do you mean make friends? I get 163 of my closest friends in here right now. And I'm not even at a Starbucks. But I do need to know, are any of you currently at a Starbucks? Because then you're just going to ruin my whole thing right there. So, are any of you at a Starbucks? If not, then I'm winning right now. Training for what? Can I be a student? Yeah, you can be a student. I barely see green, so I'm not tripping. The only thing I'll say is if AMC is going to float in the red, then just drop lower already so I can buy more. Nice, Chris. Ready to go. Buy him. He's going to 100. I know he is. Someone's trying to use the chat to hook up in Chicago. Interesting. Is the squeeze today? Bratzo! Yeah, man, you missed it? Oh my gosh, Bratzo missed the squeeze? Bratzo, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate the support. Oh my goodness, I appreciate it. I can't believe that Bratzo missed the squeeze, guys. Let's go Weeble big for a second. Dude, we squeezed all the way to $44.90 this morning. Now we're coming back down. I would suggest, man, if you're still in AMC right now, it might be a time to oh man, look at this. Look at this. Oh, what is this? Like, is this a George W? Is this a cup? We might have a handle forming? I don't know. Yeah, dude. I can't believe you missed the squeeze to 44.90 this morning. We're on our way back down now, Bratzo. It's crazy, man. If you're still in AMC, I don't know what you're doing. Anybody else in here still have AMC stock? 100% being sarcastic right now. Please, if there's anybody from Reddit in here, just rewind a little bit. Let me explain my personality to you. I am just joking. We did not squeeze to $44.90, and we are on our way back down right now. I feel like you guys, you might have like some development. Anyway, yeah, I have to explain it literally to you because you guys cry about the easiest things out there. So we did not squeeze to $44.90, and I do hope the squeeze is today, Bratzo. I still hope it is today, man. We got that Wu-Tang W, cookie. We got cookie in here? I don't know. Guess he's throwing cookies, but I was looking for a green name, but the name is blue. Cookie is here. Me too. I just wanted to see my bae. Love that face and wing. Cookie, glad you're in here. Oh my goodness, I do see a little cookie out there. I'm 100% in FOMO. Yes, Sprinkleton's 100% in FOMO, baby. YOLO FOMO. Clay sorted the bottom of the cup, and he's a shill. Get out now, psh, please. Yeah, dude, I sorted the bottom of the cup. Darn it, man. Sorted the bottom of the cup right here. Or here. I don't even know if we got any cups on the chart right now. I sorted the darn bottom of that W, or that Wu-Tang W. Now we're going back. How are we going back up? I thought the squeeze was over. Oh, man. Reddit post incoming. Clay was always a shill. LOL. Yeah, dude. Since day one. We knew that Clay was a shill since day one. He sold on the squeeze. He said AMC just squeezed to $44.90, and now it's done. S3 yesterday said AMC 97.6% out of 100% closest to the squeeze. Joanne. I don't know how they get their ratings and all of that stuff, but I don't know if 100% out of 100 means that we are currently squeezing or not. It's coming to contender channel. Diffy. People gotta live lives, man. People live their life while we're waiting for the squeeze, don't they? Good morning, Apes. Good morning, Rock. How are you? Steeper. Where's Johan when you need him? Steeper. That's gonna be a good one. You've always said after the squeeze, it could squeeze again. Is that happening now? Brett, yeah, this might be the second squeeze, dude. We might squeeze again to $44.90, and then They may cover. They may be covered by 44.90. Is the volume even? What's the volume? 38 million. Yeah, they covered all 90 million shares in the dark pools, and that's why you guys only see 38 million shares being traded today. Is because they covered them all in the dark pools, and the dark pools actually squeezed up to 4,900, but we squeezed up to 44.90. So I wish you were. I was trading on the dark pool. I don't know where you guys were. I made all my profit on the dark. I bought my shares for 44.90 off you guys, and then I sold them on the dark pool for 4,900. 10 to 15,000 as retirement, age 38 if possible. Trey Rob, very nice. I hope you get to retire at 38. Hey, babe, what's up, Cookie? Ooh, yes, Cookie, for old time's sake. Quesadilla. Thought this was a fifth squeeze according to Motley Fool. It probably is, but I didn't read the latest Motley Fool article, so it might be. Everyone in the chat is allowed a little side squeeze action while we wait. Squeeze a friend, squeeze yourself, live your best life. Just get that squeeze in, guys. Get that squeeze in. They only bought one share back, then they ladder attacked it back and forth to cover in the dark pool. Oh, I knew it, Brett. I knew that strategy would come to fruition. Darn, man. I'm just so glad that I sold all my shares in the dark pool during the squeeze. You guys missed out. You should have sold in the dark pool, too. If you currently want to, you can. Dark pool is trading at, like, what, $11,000 per share right now? I gave them to it at a discount just because I felt bad for the hedge funds. Dealing with some depression today. Everyone, please make sure you take care of yourself. Love you, A-Fam. Kelby! If it means anything, still, best friends. Dealing with depression, man. Feel better. Listen, I don't know what the deal is, but there's always tomorrow. If you can't make today the best day ever, make tomorrow the best day ever. It's going to be all right, dude. My squeeze is being practiced on Clay Bay. Cookie, why did you ever disappear? Come on now. You need to stay with us forever. Hey, Clay, what happens if the shares are covered very quickly? Does it affect the multiple short squeezes? Neil, yeah, if they can cover very quickly, it's going to be a lot more of a violent swing to the upside. Now, if they can't cover very quickly, still the same deal because they're going to have to offer higher and higher prices. But if they cover quickly, the mother of all short squeezes is going to be a very short duration. If it takes them a while, then it's going to be a longer duration. Runs into my grandmother's backyard and smashes all of the lights around her pool and jumps into the dark pool. Oh, gosh. Oh, sorry, Grandma. I did not condone that sort of activity, but apparently that's what Sam Blow heard, so that's what Sam Blow's gonna do. It's an dark pool located next to the Nickelback suite in the basement. Brian, it very well could be, man. I don't go down in the basement. Nickelback says I'm not allowed down there anymore. First coffee, then toilet, then dark pool. Crypto Rocketeer, interesting lineup there. Everyone gets a squeeze. I love that. Exactly, AMC Trapper. Me too. Every afternoon, Clay. Hope you're having a great day. Benjamin! Where you from, man? It's not even the afternoon yet. You gotta be over there in Europe somewhere. AMC Trapper. Oh, yes. I suspect the squeeze happens after close on Friday. Just my thoughts. Claude, dude, if we get it squeezed after close on Friday, I'm gonna love it. Clay, bro. M. James, man. What's going on, M. James? How you doing? Realistically, how high could AMC go? Sky's the limit, man. Realistically, it can go as high as everybody can hold out for. So you got to determine how long everybody's going to hold out. Nigev says, M. James, I miss the good old days when AMC halted. Me too, Newfo. We'll get back there, though. We will. Dude, look at Pringleton just coming in clutch. Look at Pringleton coming in clutch with the steeper. Oh my gosh, man. You guys can't make that stuff up. What is the realistic price of AMC with the squeeze? Steve-O. Anything that people can hold out to. If you think that people can hold out past 1,000, it'll go past 1,000. If you think everybody's going to hold out past 10,000, it'll go past 10,000. If you think everybody's going to sell at 500, it'll go to 500. Made money on any so stuff. Man, M. James, all M. James does is make money, guys. It's incredible. Did I miss something? Donna, you haven't missed anything. Hey, M. James, how are you? It's dinner time in Europe. Tom P., it's tea time in England. Dinner time, tea time. I know the lingo, man. I got it. Wu-Tang Sword happening. We got a Wu-Tang Sword happening on the pattern on the chart right now. Oh, it's crazy. We get that Wu-Tang Sword, guys. We busted through the George W, and now we got that sword pattern. We live chat during the Mother of All Short Squeezes so we can all freak out together. Yeah, dude. If you guys think that I like sweat a lot during some of these streams, just imagine. Like I'm gonna be just dripping. I'm gonna be dripping wet when the short squeeze is happening. Let us in on the secret. Yes, Pringleton, please. It's all about timing. Oh my gosh, dude. We're just going to go Big Weeble again here for a second because Pringleton is killing it with the steeper, man. I like it. We're back green because of that bad boy. I like it, Pringleton. Duck, we are exploding. Brazzo! You called the squeeze, man. Brazzo called the squeeze. How high we going today? Petey Pete, we're going back above 45 for sure today, man. No doubts on that one. We're going up above 45. Hi, Natalie. Yes, it will be fun. Oh, man, it's going to be a lot of fun. Nah, I lose money sometimes, too. No! M. James, finally, somebody in the realm of trading admits that there's possibility of losing money. It's all about risk management and sticking to your stop loss. Risk-to-reward ratio should be at least 1 to 3. Risk-reward ratio, 1 to 3. That means, shoot, dude, you only got to hit 1 out of 3. 33% hit rate, and you're breaking even, man. Nice, M. James. Nice. Nothing steeper than Clay's trend line. Yeah. Yeah. Where's Kenny's jet today? I don't know. Getting repoed. This is where the SEC cancels payment for flow. Robinhood and everybody who has payment for order flow on their platform can go bankrupt. Okay. No. I'm going to say no. Okay, I'm going to say yes, they can. Technically, they can go bankrupt right now. But let's say they cancel payment for order flow, and they're not making any money. They got a choice, man. They can continue to not make any money and go bankrupt, or they can decide to charge commission or raise money some other way, generate revenue some other way. Guys, I don't know. I mean, if payment for order flow is outlawed, I think that they're going to start competing for commissions again, and it's not going to be. I would rather have payment for order flow. Kelby! Oh my goodness, Kelby, thank you for the super check. So Kelby says, we came here to squeeze this stunk and chew bubble gum. P.S. I'm out of bubble gum. Well, then guess what time it is, Kelby? Still best friends? Pinky promise? It is time to squeeze the stock, guys. Hold the stock and watch it go up. Time to squeeze, and that's what we're going to have happen right now. Is something happening Friday? Is GLG. I don't know. What's happening Friday, guys? Anybody know what's happening Friday? Oh, nah, I don't remember what's happening Friday. Margin calls are happening Friday. The squeeze is going to happen on Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Remember? They're calling it tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. If it doesn't happen, I don't know what to tell you about everybody that tells you it's going to happen at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Brett, when I first started day trading, I had substantial loss within the first 2 weeks. Tried revenge trading, trying to get green, ended up trading over, went down almost 6K in one day. Yeah, dude, revenge trading is the best. It's almost like rage buying. So rage trading is like the same thing. I equate it to like you're down, I don't know, 10 points in a basketball game, and instead of just playing good basketball, you go out there and you just start trying to chuck up threes and throw Hail Mary passes in football, and you're just getting out of your zone and you're trying to make a comeback, and it never works. You dig yourself into a bigger hole. That's why, M. James, man, everybody has to learn that lesson. I'm glad you learned it, and I'm glad you're sticking to your plan now. Learned a huge lesson from that, and have corrected my strategy since. Very nice, M. James. And, dude, you don't need to make $1 million overnight either. You can just keep stacking and 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 stacking, and guess what? Then you get a big stack. Public service announcement. Every winning trade has someone on the other end who is losing, so when you make a profit, make sure to say hello to me as you take my money. Yes, anytime you make a profit, make sure you say hello to Sam because you were taking his money. He was on the other end of that losing trade right there. Lauren, save some blow. Thank you. Lauren, you want me to save you some? Lauren, I want you to say, I don't even know what we're talking about, but yes, Lauren, I want you to save me some. I want you to save me some. I don't even know what we're talking about, but I want you to. Clay knows sports? No, I don't. Cookie, I don't know. No. No. I know nothing about sports. I'm telling you that right now. I like sports, and I don't care who knows, but I know nothing about sports. SD, man. SD. I think that you need to restart the live stream. I think you need to go back and then come back in. Unless you're welcoming Tom like a half hour late, I think you need to go back out and then come back in. Because that comment was extremely late, dude. SD. Yes, welcome Tom. Tom, thank you for becoming a member, grabbing that green name, and joining the channel. I love it. It's just a friendly reminder from SD that happened like 30 minutes ago. How much tax do you in the States need to pay? Mongi, Magnus, Manji, depends on the account you got your AMC in, but a lot, dude, a lot. If you make a lot of money, you got to pay a lot of taxes. Sam is funny too, I see. M. James, just learning this. Good. Clay, if margin calls do happen, will you give me 25 of your AMC shares? Ooh, interesting bet. Interesting bet, Claude, to bring you up to 100. If they happen tomorrow at 10 a.m., I don't know, man. I'd be willing to take you up on that because I don't think they're going to happen tomorrow at 10 a.m. But if they don't happen, are you giving me 25 of your shares? Yeah, same here. Clay, bro, can be as un-American as a non-American like me can get to. Exactly, Shruti. Exactly. I think. Although I am American. We're both un-American. It's all right. We don't know sports, and we don't care who knows. Welcome, Tom. Pringleton is also welcoming Tom. This is like round 2 on Welcome, Tom. That's what I like. Clay, check my little bro. I'm a white bro. What? Check your little bro? I don't even know what you meant. You got a little bro? Oh, your little bro there. The little astronaut bro. That's what I'm talking about. Level 3 Crypto Rocketeer. Heck yes. In Sweden, we don't need to pay tax on stocks. Magnus, can I buy stocks in Sweden and live in the U.S.? That's what I want to know. Can I buy stocks in Sweden and live in the U.S.? I think the most Americans topics we've covered today is prison coffee. And I don't even know about prison coffee. So I'm apparently un-American. Born and bred just the way I like them. Me? Gosh, I gotta catch back up. All right, down to the bottom of the chat, we're catching back up right now. Brett, oh, you got something going on now. Oh man, what does Brett have going on now? Darn it, it's Cookie. And not knowing sports now, he's a blank slate, so he can be turned into a Cowboys fan. Dude, technically, if I'm a Browns fan, can I be a Cowboys fan? Does it work out like that? Clay, we were talking about cabbage and apple again. Don't worry. Luke might have to find some blow himself, though. Luke, man, you got to find that blow yourself, man. We're talking about cabbage and apples. You got to find your own blow. We only talk about cabbage and apples in here. Hey, Clay, do you think the market will be red tomorrow since Labor Day is coming? Profit takers. Hey, it's possible, Infinite, but overall market, I don't know. I don't know where the overall market's at right now, if we're hitting a new high, if we're bouncing off resistance or support or what we're doing. Are you really a Browns fan, though? No, we went over it. I would just root for the Browns. Like, if they're playing, I got to root for the Browns because that would technically be who I would root for. But as a fan, short for fanatic, and I can't even name 2 guys on the team, no, would not be considered a fan. If you're a Browns fan, you're already prepared for disappointment, so yes, you're an excellent candidate. I could be converted into a Cowboys fan. Very nice. What do you mean disappointment, dude? How can you be disappointed if you already expect them to not do very well? You guys got a weird mindset. I don't expect them to win, so the Browns never disappoint me. I can tell you that right now. The Browns never disappoint me. And honestly, they don't either because I don't really care if they win. So I guess that makes me not a fan, but I'm never disappointed watching a sports game. You guys watch the market daily? For sure, Sam. Even on Saturdays and Sundays. Go Browns. That's what I'm talking about, Kathy. Because y'all have one of the biggest, sickest indoor skate parks left on the East Coast. That closes at 12 midnight. And Baddies in Columbus. There's Baddies in Columbus? We got Baddies in Columbus, dude, that I don't even know about? We got any baddies in Columbus in the chat right now? Can anybody confirm that there are baddies in Columbus? Clay, just say you like Baker Mayfield. I like Baker Mayfield. I mean, that's about it. That's the only guy I know that plays for the Browns. Natalie, why buy when God gifted ya? Maybe, I don't know what we're buying here. The most honest ad in sports is the one with Baker Mayfield hanging out in an empty stadium. Yes, it is, dude. Yes, it is. And then his friends are going to come over and he has to go clean the bathroom. Okay, Clay, can you explain what the wash rule sale is? Just a dumb Abe asking a question. Yeah, so if you want to write off your losses on your taxes and you sell a stock, let's say let's not use AMC for example. I don't know. Let's say you bought Apple and you lost $1,000 on it, and you wanted to write that loss off. If you bought back into Apple within 31 days, you can't write that loss off. You have to wait 31 days to buy back in. Otherwise, it's a wash sale rule, and it's just a wash, man. It's like you never even sold the stock. So, I get you, dude. You can't just buy back in, and it's like you held it for long term if you were selling and making profits and so on. But if you sell it and then get back in within 30, I think it has to be 30. I don't know if the cutoff is 31 days or if you could buy back on that 31st day or what the deal is. But it's a wash sale rule that if you get back in within that time frame, you can't write your losses off. But not in crypto. You can write losses off. Well, there you go, Nick F. Not in crypto. But don't lose. Just don't lose money, and you never have to worry about writing anything off. I don't watch sports, but I love hash browns. Me too, man. Hash browns are good. I can't remember the last time I've actually had a hash brown, like from McDonald's or somewhere. That's been a long time. But neighbors of wood, I'm starting to think 25 nickelback tickets for some milk. I'm starting to think we may also share a long-lost father who is either haggling for $25 nickelback tickets or some milk. Yeah, for sure. You got you and Rocket and you and Brett, man. You guys may share all the same father. GSAT to the atmosphere. Newfo! Is it back up right now? Cleveland should have gave Odell his new stadium he wanted. Oh well. More thanks for them for not. More thanks to be more. I don't even know who we're talking about now. See what I'm saying? I don't even know. I don't know anything about sports, guys. What's your favorite restaurant? I don't really have a favorite restaurant. Myopic? What? Meant you? What? I don't even know. Oh, you. Let them talk. You guys are going to be very good this year. Who is us? The Browns? The Browns are going to be good this year? Cup and handle. Woo! Cup and handle. Foreman on the chart. Really, I'm just excited about this. Pringleton's slightly less steeper. Let's just go slightly less steeper and watch this bad boy go up. Is it? What a goofy looking cup. Would anybody drink out of this cup? I wouldn't drink out of that cup. Sorry, it was small. You guys couldn't see it. I wouldn't drink out of this cup. It's all crooked. I think the chat is having a collective stroke. Me too, Brett. Me too. Dudes out here trying to get people to buy nickelback tickets in the dark pool. WTF is going on, man. Those prices are crazy. While he's drinking a $1 million gallon of milk. Do you drink dark coffee, Clay? Yes, I drink dark coffee. AMC shares are going to Ticketmaster for $10,000 each. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Ticketmaster is the dark pool, guys. Ticketmaster is the dark... Oh, wow. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Well, I'm big on the screen and not Weeble. This is beautiful. Look at this run. Look at this graph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? The squeeze is here now. Bratzo, this is the squeeze. Let's go, guys. When you have to make it steeper again, then you will believe. I'll just make it steeper right now, dude. I'll make it steeper right now. Watch this. Boom. Steeper. We're ready. How is the dark pool even legit or even legal? Makes no sense. Hanson, there's a lot of things in life that don't make sense, dude. The dark pool might be one of them. I don't really think that getting rid of a dark pool would do too much, but I also don't think that dark pools are the best idea that anybody's ever had. Hey, bro, are you gonna stream live during Facebook games? We need your expert analysis. What do you mean during Facebook games? We play Facebook games on here? Bradso, thank you for Super Chat. Bradso says, let's go! Super Chat for good luck. Let's get it, man. It's good luck time. We are squeezing right now. It's going to happen. Everybody should get excited. We are squeezing $44.50 right now. We're going to bounce off that purple line, and it's going to go to the moon. Thank you very much, Bradso. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the Super Chat. And I know that AMC is going to squeeze right now. It's been a long time coming. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make it happen with that Super Chat for good luck. Luke Shoemaker, what's the matter? You burnt your finger or something? Get a fan. What now? Luke, man. Did you burn your finger, dude? Did you burn your finger, Luke? I don't even know. I feel like I can't see the chat. Luke, don't burn your finger, dude. Get a fan. Oh, it looks like they're crushing this candy. And look at that Farmville Farm. Dude, have you seen my mom's Farmville Farm? Apparently it's pretty legit. Shout out to you, Mom. If you're listening right now, hey guys, if any of you play Farmville and you want to play, if you want to be friends with my mom and play Farmville, she's apparently a very active farmer in like app life. I don't know anything about it, but she's apparently a pretty big deal. She's got a big farm. Finally, a stream that isn't Matt. Skype. Why are you hanging out with Matt? Hang out with me. Clay, always active with the live streams. Mark Garcia, man. Yes, always active with the live streams. Twice a day, actually. Twice a day. Young Gravy loves moms. Interesting. Okay. You hurt my feelings, bro. You didn't mention anything about my 56 Ford Fairlane deal. Big Cuban. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Forgot about it. I'm interested to hear how many streams you had to go through to get away from him. He's everywhere I tune in. He's there. MK in his chair, hiding behind him as he speaks. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. How many streams did you have to go through before you got away? Played Farmville in 2011. 11, Mr. Simon. Very nice. Apparently my mom still plays. Aloha Kako, brother Clay. I'm here to bring the green. Mahalo ho. Matthew McConaughey for being here and bringing the green. I love it. Aloha Kakahiaka and Aloha Kako. Aloha Kako. Good morning and what's up? Aloha Kakahiako, Aloha Kako. Right? Aloha Kakahiaka, Aloha Kako. Good morning, what's up? Hey, my friend Andrew is your biggest friend, or biggest fan. Tyson! Why are you not my biggest fan? Why is Andrew the biggest fan, not you? Tyson, come on now. Admit it. There is no friend Andrew, is there? It's you. It was you all along. You're Andrew, aren't you? Tyson, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate it. And we know it's you. It's alright. You don't have to blame. My friend wants to say hello. It's alright, Tyson. We know. Shout out to you, Andrew, as well, man. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hello, bro. My son likes your Spider-Man cup. Muhammad, do you like my Spider-Man cup? Do you like it? I randomly landed on Kringle Kitten's Iron Banner team in Destiny 2 today. Nice. Circle the Baggins. Clay, I missed my price prediction twice. I'm sure I can get a job at the Weather Channel without interviewing at all. Very nice, Simon. I wish you the best of luck, man. All you got to do is say there's a 50% chance of rain. Otherwise, 50%, you win, you lose, didn't rain. All right. I don't long into my Farmville since 10 years. Shruti, if you want to play with my mom, everybody's like, I don't understand the fascination with gaming. I do not game, so you cannot play games with me. But, you know, Matt Kors is like, well, if you want to play some games with me, I'm sure Trade plays games too. And all these other guys, you want to play some games and hang out? Rogue, playing Call of Duty or something? The best I got. If you want to play Farmville with my mom, I don't even know how you do it. You guys can do it. You probably know if you play Farmville. If you want to play Farmville with my mom, you can. Anybody gonna buy a sports team after the Motherwell Short Squeezes? Yes, me, man. Me. I know so much about sports that I think that's the best investment for me. Privet Kakadela in Russian is, hey, what's going on? Sky. Privet? I don't even know if that's what it is. You might be messing with me, dude. But I do know Privet is hi, or hello, or hey. So you might be messing with me on the other part there. I do not know. It's me, your son Leonard. Hey! What's up, Leonard? Illistock, thoughts? Thanks, brubba? I don't even know anything about that, man. I'm gonna be honest. Tyson, how big is your friend? Like 7 foot tall or something? I'd imagine we got some big people in here. I have it on good authority. Brett's mozzarella sticks alone are larger than most. Sam, dude. Gordon, that I know about, is technically my biggest fan. Dude wears a 6X. Anybody in here wear over a 6X? Because currently Gordon is the biggest fan that I know about. Clay bro, what coast you on? I don't know, dude. The North Coast? Is that like a thing? North Coast a thing? It's all about StarCraft, bro. Dude, it's all about Warcraft, man. StarCraft is nothing. It's all about Warcraft. I want to play Minecraft, Dark Souls, or CSGO. Okay, I will. If you guys want to play Warcraft, we can play Warcraft. Matt Kors is emo. Why is Matt Kors emo? Play Call of Duty. I play Warcraft. If you want to play Warcraft, we play Warcraft together. Warcraft 3, though. But I don't think you can play Reign of Chaos anymore. I think you got to play Frozen Throne. Good morning, Clay, bro. Good morning! Luke or Mario Kart? Yeah, we can get N64 going up. Clay, do you believe in technical analysis? Yes. Keep hearing that we will break 48 on the 4th try in the next few weeks. Can you give your thoughts on this? What's the chart doing now? Yes. My thoughts on this. You can break it on the 1st try. Doesn't have to be the 4th try. Okay? So, Trey says that anytime you test resistance for a 4th time, you break it. Resistance or support. So Trey's on some 4x theory right now where you test it for the 4th time, and that's the time that you're guaranteed to break it. I don't care how many times you test it. You can break it the 1st time, and you might, I don't know. It doesn't matter how many times you test it. So, yeah, looking at 48, though, I do believe there is very strong resistance at $48. If you pull out here to a 1-hour graph, you can see, and I don't even know, where he's considering testing this, if he considers this one long test, because, look, you tested it here. Technically, we tested it here twice. 1 on this candle, 2 on that candle again. Couldn't do it. That's 2 different complete hours that we tested it. He's considering that another test instead of just 1 test, or instead of just 2 tests, he's considering that 1 test. So, tested here, technically twice, but he's considering it once. You come over here again, and look, he's considering this 1 test in after hours, but we tested it here, we tested it here, we tested it here. Didn't break it all of those times either. So he's considering this 1 test, and when we go back up again, he's saying we're going to break it this time just because it's the 4th, like 4th time's the charm or something. But no, I do believe this is a very strong level of resistance. Day traders, people that are using technical analysis to trade AMC, they're out there, and they're going to use this $48 level. Here's what they're going to say, though. The ones that are using technical analysis the way that it should be used are going to say, okay, if we do bounce off of it, I'm going to sell. If we break through it, I'm either going to hold my position or buy in if they're not currently in. So they're going to watch this, see what happens when we test it, and then decide from there. Other people, they're just going to say, okay, well, shoot, we've bounced off this 4 times already. I'm going to sit here. I'm going to put my take profit in at $47.90 since we touched 48 and then bounce back down. And they're going to create some selling pressure for that. Now, above this line, you should probably expect some buy orders to be in maybe at $48.60, $49 per share. You should expect some buy orders to be in here if we do sustain a move above. We can continue to rip to the upside, just like we did see back down there at 38. But, yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't consider this 4 touches. I mean, at most, you could get away with 2 if you're looking at longer-term touches. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, technically, you got like 7 different individual touches on that. But, yeah, technical analysis, I do believe in support and resistance lines, very much so. Moving average crossovers, I do believe in those too if you're looking at getting in and out on an almost quicker time frame than using support and resistance. I like support and resistance the best out of everything that you can find on a chart, but I mean you can still look at RSI and MACD and moving average crossovers and all that stuff too, but that's what you're going to be getting into if you're talking about touching it for the 4th time. And the 4th time thing, all that is like 4th time's the charm. Thought 3rd time was the charm, but what do I know? Yeah, Nick, dude, 2nd time's the charm. If it touches at 4 and bounces off, it's going to be the 5th time's the charm. So 4th time's the charm doesn't mean anything. It's just will we break through it this time? Battle of 48, Tone Docs, and we are going to get it, man. I hate day traders. With a burning furious passion when it comes to AMC. These people are literal mutants. Hey, man, I don't hate them with a burning furious passion, but I do think that they are just like they're not even benefiting themselves from it. AMC would squeeze if they would just stop selling the stock. I grew up Catholic, so if we refrain from saying things like, if you can get away with 2 touches, that would be awesome. If you can get away with 4 touches, even better, Brett, even better. Pete, I need something to scalp to make some more money for AMC. Hey, PDP, man, there's a lot of plays out there. You don't have to make 100% on every play, like with BBIG and SPRT and all these runners, GSAT and all these other things out there. Clay, my brother, good morning. I'm currently in the hospital with a pregnant wife, about to be our third little one. Big Ben, congratulations to you. Hopefully, your wife can listen, and she knows that you're hanging out in a YouTube stream while she's about to give birth. Dude, third time is the charm, man. I guess that's the time that you can't just hang out in the hospital with a pregnant wife and the doctor's yelling push, and you're just sitting there typing on a live stream right now. So shout out to your wife for just having a wonderful pregnancy, man, and birthing that beautiful little bro. Is it a boy or girl, dude? Is it a boy or girl? Middle name is going to be bro, right? That's all we need to worry about, Big Ben. Middle name bro? Is that what we got? That's what I heard? Got an awesome wife, dude. She's probably in the stream now, too. Thank you, my brother. Absolutely. She's probably in the stream, too. Hey, wife, what's your name in the stream? What's your name in the chat? We need to know. I'll give you a shout-out. Dude, take the headphones out because I guarantee she doesn't know that you're on YouTube right now. I guarantee she does not know. Little girl, middle name bro still. Little girl, middle name bro. It's cool. I like it. There's no way your wife knows you're on YouTube right now. Take the headphones out, dude. Let me give her a big old shout out, and I'll yell push. I'll get this thing started right now. Be like, hey, if having this little girl sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Do it. Doctors are both shouting, squeeze! No, the doctors are not shouting squeeze. They're shouting push. Lorena is her name. Lorena! Shout out to you having a beautiful little girl today. It's going to be amazing. And, of course, if birthing a beautiful girl sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Push, Lorena, push. Push, Lorena, push. You got this. Don't breathe. Just push. Game on. We've got it. Congratulations, Big Ben. Absolutely. There's no way Lorena's listening right now. If she is, she's like, this dude's an idiot. Get out of my room. You don't even need to be here for the third one. Get out right now. 3 kids are going to be good future laborers. Yeah, Sergeant. Sorry, Ben. I may have just made things worse for you. If I did, sorry about that. If I didn't, congratulations, man. Beautiful baby girl coming into the world today. I love it. I'm having a little girl in a month. Her name will be Victoria. Skype, Victoria Bro, right? Victoria Bro. I like it, dude. Thanks, brother. Made our day. She's cracking up. That's what I'm talking about. Big Ben and Lorena. I like it, guys. I hope you guys have a good day. Clay, I'm going to be honest. You're giving birth. I'm going to be honest. You're giving birth. Let's get started. Pitch sounds like a very weird fact-filled FUB video. Hey, man. How do you know it wasn't? How do you know that it wasn't, dude? Which is, it could happen. Picture time, let's go, ice cream. Clay, see my question above. Natalie, absolutely. Okay, one more AMC question. Thank you for keeping us on track, Natalie. After $48, where's the next resistance? Once we break the final resistance, then what? Margin calls? Sorry, I have not read Stocks for Dummies yet. No, you're all good, Natalie, you're all good. So we break through 48, right? And these are good questions, because I like talking about AMC as well. I mean, the whole channel's about AMC, right? I like talking about AMC as well. So you break 48. Let's go. No, we're going to need to go back out to it. Let's go maybe 4 hour. What can we see on the 4 hour? Maybe it'll look a little bit better. Still kind of hard to see on a 4 hour. So you break 48. This line here is the 48 line, the top teal line that you can see. I know there's a lot on the chart right now, but we got like your break even here in yellow, 46.62, and then 48 right here. Let's say we do break it on this test, whether this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth test or whatever. We break this line at 48. Now the next thing we look at is, let's bring the orange one up so you can see it. So the next level of resistance that you're going to see is right in this area, right in here. Now it could be a little lower at 50. See how it's kind of hard to see. We'll zoom in a little bit. See how you tested it right here, and you kind of tested it on the way down here, and on this wick down here, and this upside here. You may see some slight resistance in the $50 area for 2 reasons. One, you got some, I call it baby resistance, just barely tapping it, and kind of easy to break. So we may see some resistance at 50. Also, 50 is significant. It's just a nice round number. People always have a psychological problem with nice round numbers. But if we're looking strictly at the graph, and you can see we kind of tested it in this area back in here too, but that's kind of far back now. So if we break through 48, this is really what we're looking at right here as resistance. Getting into this $52 to $55 area, 52, 53, this in here. Now, what I'm really interested in seeing happen, see all of these, this bounce here, boom, basically 60 to 55. We got 60 to 55, 60 to 55, 60 to 55, 60 to 55. This I would consider more of a range of resistance. So if we break through this $55 area, we're really going to have another hard time in the $60 to $63 area, right in here. So this block, essentially, is going to be the most significant level of resistance that we see. From 55 to 60 is going to be very strong. Now, yes, all-time highs, we need to break those. Everybody's going to be profitable. Everybody's going to be profitable when we break an all-time high. It's just the way it is. Stock price has never been there before, so unless you're shorting the stock, you are profitable at that level. So once we do break through this area, that's the majority of the resistance, and I see the super chat, I'll get to it in 2 seconds. This is the majority of the resistance in here. We break it, it's going to be a very similar situation to back here when we broke the resistance at 1450. It was very tough at 1450 in here. When we finally broke through it, we were free to run. Now, there was nothing on the chart that was going to cause resistance. Simply people selling. A lot of people got out at $69.69 and so on just because they're goofy and they wanted to sell levels at $69.69. So that did create some selling pressure in this $69, $70, $77 area right in here. 69 bucks is what we were really testing during this day. And I mean, it was stupid to take profits there. But once we get beyond that, it's not necessarily a margin call, because as long as the hedge funds have the money available, they're not going to get margin called, okay? But the only thing that is stopping us at that point is if we decide to sell. And I'm not deciding to sell there. If other people do decide to sell there, then yes, we could see some selling pressure and we can come back down. But we determine the resistance once there's no more resistance on the chart. Big Ben, thank you for the super chat. Big Ben says, thank you for the shout out, Clay. Hopefully we close green today. Big Ben, I am on the same page as you, man. I want to close green today as well. But dude, man, green today, red today. It sounds like you're going to be having an amazing day either way. And shout out to the little girl too, man. Shout out to the little girl. I hope you guys and your family is absolutely ecstatic today. Ban resistance. Yes, Sam, we need to ban resistance. I need AMC to hit 2,000 in order to not be a loss. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go AMC $2,000 per share. We don't want any losses for Sam. And ban resistance and ban selling. We don't need any of ban selling early. If we ban selling, we can't take our profits. And ban Lauren not going out with me. Ban everything. If it doesn't fit your agenda, just ban it. Did a box come for me today? I have no idea. Banana Man, how would I know if a box came for you? Why 69? I have no idea, Sergeant. People just thought 69 would be a good level to take profit at. Kim just came home from work and she was happy to hear your voice. Tom, shout out to you, Kim. Glad you're hearing my voice. And I promise, Tom, I will not use a voice changer. And maybe I will trick Kim. So she comes home from work around 12:15, 12:30 for me. So, yeah, dude, maybe tomorrow, this time for me, I'm just going to, I don't know, use my girl voice or something. And then Kim's going to be very distraught that you're sitting here listening to a girl talk about Clay, bro. Hi, Clay. Glad to see you today. That's Steel. Hello. Glad to see you today as well. Lauren and crypto isn't even in a... What? Come on. Lauren and crypto, you guys got to be in Ohio. Come on now. What are you doing? Thanks, Clay. Natalie, anything for you. Any time of the day or night. Lauren was asking American questions. I used in a example sentence. Gotcha. Lauren, Crypto Rocketeer, do you say parcel or package? Package. I say package. Still here? Okay. I say package. Parcel. Who says parcel? Come on now. Nobody, Lauren. A package is more like a guy's bit. Yes, but also a package is something that you could pack together. It's a package. Parcel. Interesting. Elizabeth! Where? Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness. Elizabeth, you have no idea. Clay, see you after lunch. Matthew McConaughey, see you after breakfast. Because it's really early in Hawaii right now. Lauren's asking, okay, I use that. Hello, Elizabeth. Hello to you. Glad you are here. Sam has been waiting for you. Or afternoon, depending on location. Missed it. Brett, morning or afternoon. Yeah, I got that. Junior M. Clay, do you think yesterday's drop was due to a FUD paper hand combination? If so, you say we'll be standing in our own way when it comes to getting the big... Yeah, Junior M. The only thing standing in our way is going to be ourselves when it comes to getting big numbers during the MOAS, or the Mother of All Short Squeezes, or the AMC Stock Short Squeeze. We're going to be the only thing standing in our way, dude. Because when it actually happens, and the hedge funds are forced to cover their position. Now, I don't know if that's going to be early on, if we break 100. Like, I truly believe that hedge funds have plenty of money, and they're not going to get margin called if AMC busts 100 or 150 or 200. I think that they have a lot of money, and they can get a lot of money on hand if they need it. So, the only thing stopping AMC from going higher are the people holding AMC deciding that it's time for them to sell. So, yeah, dude, whether you call it paper handing or what, I think that that's the only thing that's going to be stopping AMC from going to the absolute moon. Someone said, package, is Mr. Enormous here? Clay, tell Brett about the microwave and Warcraft. Dude, when you get the microwave and the I don't even know, I guess it would be the computer on the same breaker, and then the computer is running and the microwave goes on for a couple seconds because somebody's trying to make pizza rolls, never works out, dude. Because turning the microwave on trips the breaker and then disconnects you from the Warcraft game, and it is not a good thing. So all I suggest is you put the microwave on a different breaker than the computer, and you're going to be doing very well. Do you think about this stuff when you're in high school? No. But did you already discuss about Adam Aaron's latest tweet? Tom, I did not discuss, was his latest tweet the one where he wants you to sign up for AMC On Demand, and they have a very good marketing tactic to get people to sign up for AMC On Demand because they're going to be giving $3.99 for every rental of the old AMC, or the old Planet of the Apes movies, to Gorilla Funds? Is that the latest one that he had out there? Bro, didn't appreciate it. No. And, bro, if you're listening right now, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you for not appreciating the microwave being turned on. Nobody would appreciate that. Welcome, Tom. Welcome, Tom. Nick F., you're getting an English lesson from Crypto and I. I'm getting an English lesson from Crypto and you, Lauren. Clay, your whole family has some Willy Wonka wiring between techs cutting the stream and microwaves turning the computers off. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, Brett. I'm telling you. I live in this Willy Wonka world, man. I'm not even real. I'm AI. So that's like the thing. I'm not even real. So that makes me wonder why I have a backstory and all of this stuff. And if you guys always wonder, like, why is that dude so I was programmed this way. I'm simply AI. You can't deter me. CEO of one of the most popular stocks is calling on a massive following of customers and investors to raise money for charity. Yes, he is. But also, think about it. It's a very good marketing technique, too. Because he's playing on that whole gorilla thing and the whole ape thing. And he's saying that if you watch one of the old Planet of the Apes movies on AMC On Demand, then they're going to donate to the Gorilla Fund. Couple things, man. People are like, oh, cool, Planet of the Apes. That goes along with our ape story. They may go watch it. But what do they have to do? They have to sign up for AMC On Demand. Then they have to go rent a movie. They're not only going to watch Planet of the Apes, and then if they're renting other movies from AMC On Demand, it's going to be good. It's going to generate a lot of revenue for AMC, and it's going to be a good thing. I think it's a marketing technique. I think he's doing very well with it, and he's really hyping a lot of people up. I would appreciate that. Sam, what would you appreciate, man? I missed it. Oh, no. That's his latest tweet. Yeah. Okay, good deal. Saw it. Sam and Elizabeth. Oh, man. I don't even know. Somebody's got Elizabeth laughing, and then Sam's appreciating things, and I'm just getting jealous over here. It's all right, though. AA is going to be jobless soon. I don't think that Adam Aaron's going to be jobless soon. Crypto Rex here. Well, no time like the present, I guess. Lauren, never been that deep into the meeting. Parcel and package? Is that what we're talking about? AMC OD, AMC On Demand, seems fishy to me. Yeah, dude, it seems like a blockbuster. You can just go and you rent movies. for $3.99. How much does anybody know what it's actually like to rent a movie there? I don't use AMC On Demand. I don't have it. Vigilante or Oil Tipped, if you're listening right now, dude, I know you got AMC On Demand. Have you ever used it? I don't know what it's like. Who is Charity and why are we giving her money and is she invested in AMC? All good questions, Sam. All good. We need to know right now. Who is Charity? Are you invested in AMC? Is there? I mean, there's 200 people in here. Anybody named Charity out there? Well, I don't know. Nobody that commonly comments in the chat. Sorry to get my own tongue twisters. Nobody that commonly comments in the chat is named Charity. Nobody that commonly comments in the chat is named Charity. No, called Charity. Nobody that commonly comments in the chat is called Charity. Nobody that commonly comments in the chat is called Charity. It's not as difficult as it sounds. Nobody that commonly comments in the chat is called Charity. Say that as fast as I did. Yeah. Blockbuster was an experience, Clay, and a privilege to go every... Dude, you have no idea. I mean, you probably do, because you went. These kids these days, man, they don't know. You're like, okay, your mom, your dad, they take you to Blockbuster, and they're like, okay, go rent a movie, go grab a video game, you guys can play it all weekend long, and take it back. Man, you walk in the store, boom, you run over to the video game section, you rent one, and you guys have a good evening, and then a good weekend, because you got movies and video games for the entire weekend. Absolutely, it was an experience, Rocket. It was absolutely an experience. But technically, people throw their money at charity, so there's no touching allowed. Oh, man. I think you guys might be talking about two different charities. I'm not sure. The biggest movie theater company in Holland and some other countries started this on demand a few months ago. They are doing much better now financially. Very nice, Tom. I heard GME holders are more likely to hold strong. I am heavy in AMC and only hold a couple GME shares. Any thoughts on this? Daphne, no, I don't know if GameStop holders are going to hold any, I don't know, longer than AMC shareholders would. I don't know if there's any truth to that, but I do believe that if GameStop and AMC are going to move hand in hand, so it's if you want to make sure that you're in both of them, then I think you're going to be better off than just being in one. I only have AMC. I don't have any GameStop. I've been thinking about grabbing some GameStop shares, though. They will never know about that, Clay, bro. That's what I'm saying, AMC Trapper. That's what I'm saying. Rocket knows what I'm talking about. These kids are never going to know about that. Shoot. It really was an experience. Audio plug is getting deleted before I even see it. Oh, no. Why is it if you bring a bunch of bills and make it rain at the strip club, it's encouraged, but if you bring my change jar and make it hail, I'm asked to leave? I don't know, Brett. I don't know why that would be. Charity, if you're in the chat right now, could you fill us in on why that would be? Still seems like a good plan to me, Brett. It all spends the same. Give my 12-year-old self some surge, a bag of chips, and some pizza rolls with a video game rental. Time of my life. That's what I'm talking about, Rocket. That's what I'm talking about. Mountain Dew. I would have gone Mountain Dew, but yeah, dude, or some Dr. Pepper. Bag of chips, some pizza rolls, man. Play that video game all weekend long. You are doing good. Which will go first? AMC. I don't know which one's going to pop first, but I think either one, it's going to be almost just like coincidental. One hits, the other one hits. They're both going to be moving at the same time. Friday night, renting a Blockbuster game on PS2 without a memory card. Kids today do not know. Exactly, Chris. They do not, man. And we get any kids in the chat right now. Do you not know about Blockbuster renting a video game? Brett, you are killing me today. Elizabeth, don't die. Stay with us, Elizabeth. Stay with us. WTF is a Blockbuster. Yeah, Sam's like, WTF is a Blockbuster. What is a Blockbuster, man? I don't even know. It's the one, remember Captain Marvel? Remember the movie Captain Marvel where she crash landed onto Earth? That's a Blockbuster. It's a thing of the past, dude. It's a thing of the past. It's crazy. It's probably the only reference people have to Blockbuster. Blockbuster was a movie and rental place, and it was a very good one at that. Got 20 GME shares just in case. Tom P, very nice. 631 in AMC, own 20 in GME because I think we'll squeeze much higher. Good deal. Tom is prepared for both squeezes. Deleted chat message. No, super chatters. Don't delete your own chat message. Sam Blow, that's something I can train you on, my friend. Yes, it is. I still owe Blockbuster the late fee. Damn cool, Bacon Sean. No, you're the reason they went out of business. Oh, no. I don't think there are two. I probably have my Blockbuster card in my desk over there. I'm pretty sure I do. The real question, how is Blockbuster gone, but Family Video is still kicking? It must be family owned, and they're just like, we don't care about money. We just want people to have a good rental experience. You need to go to a high class club, Brett. I met this one girl, Diamond, and she took direct deposit swipe. That was that bad boy right there through her. And I believe it or not, she could even make change. Oh my gosh. Sounds like Sam and Brett are gonna have a very good weekend this weekend. Sam is gonna be teaching him all of the places that he needs to be going. I still have a box full of DVDs from when Blockbuster went out of business and we're selling them for pennies on the dollar. Nice, Brett. Nice. Wow, I am trying hard to get to 100 in AMC. Almost there, but only 2 GME. Very nice, Daphne. Wait, what if they cover shorts on the dark pools? Joel, they can cover shorts on the dark pools, right? But here's the deal. They're not going to find the volume necessary on the dark pools or after hours in order to do that. What a lot of people get confused about is they think that if a trade happens on the dark pool, nobody knows about it, which is not true. A dark pool trade simply gets published after it happens and not before it happens. So right now, if I go put out a limit order and I want to trade AMC at $45 per share, you're going to see my limit order come out there for $45 a share. And then when it gets filled, it's going to show up that it was filled at $45 a share. If it goes on a dark pool, the limit order is going to sit there like a ghost. Nobody's going to know out here that order's sitting there at $45 a share. If it gets filled at $45 a share, you and I are going to see it, that it got filled at $45 a share. It simply shows up afterwards instead of before. That's the only difference between a dark pool and like a regular trade. Money laundering for family movies, I think they might be onto something there, because we certainly know that Family Video is not going out there and making, I don't know, $50 million a year. What does anybody have the revenue projections or revenue on Family Video? Doc, yes, just told. Doc, is this thing ever going to squeeze? Dr. Hume! Yeah, it's going to squeeze at some point. We just don't know when. If Sam and Brett have a little girl in the future, they can call her Sambretta. Never heard that name before. I like that. Sambretta Bro. Sambretta Bro sounds like a really nice name to me. Confession time. I'm actually familiar with Blockbuster, and how they revolutionized the rental experience by giving the big guys portions of sales in order to get them cheap. I watch documentaries. Nice! You watched that documentary, probably on a streaming service and not from a Blockbuster rental. Yes, it shows. Is Mr. Thick Wrench the Super Chatter suck dude, or we got a different one in here? It looks like the same icon. I just can't tell if it's the same person or not. Well, okay, thanks. Joel, absolutely, man. Crypto Records here. Sambretta Bro Blow. That sounds perfect to me. Sambretta Blow. I can't even know. Don't go with that name. That name is really hard to say. Sambretta Bro Blow. Sambretta Bro Blow. Sambretta Bro Blow. Dude, don't name your kid that. Don't do that to her. That's way too hard. Sorry to Pete, can you explain the limit selling? Yeah, Colin, limit selling. So if you're going to go set a limit right now, and hold on, Colin, do you want like the pros and cons of a limit order, or do you want limit order on dark pools and lit pools? So listen, if you're going to, I'll just give you both. Pros and cons of limit orders. If you set a limit order right now, pro is you're guaranteed to get the price you want. Con is you're not guaranteed to get filled. So you don't exactly know if you're going to sell your shares or not. If you set a limit order on a lit exchange, everybody can see it, and we know that the trade's going to take place before it happens. If you set it on a dark pool, nobody sees it until after it takes place. So those would be the only differences in those. Mr. Thick has an 8-inch wrench. Okay. Ken Griffin just looked into the light, brother. Let go. Just look into the light and let go. Jared says it's time. Too late. I'm in Texas. We have a new no take backsies rule when it comes to having kids. No! What about naming kids? Because Sambretta Broblo is harder to say than whatever I was saying before with that tongue twister. Sambretta Broblo is just impossible, man. He has risen, says AMC and AQST. Clay, bro, you got your tongue twisted around your teeth. You can't even see what you're saying. I know, Marine Corps Brett. You guys are all out there trying to. You guys are testing it right now, though. I know there's somebody out there that's like, this idiot can't even say Sambretta blah blah blah, and then you can't say it either. Exactly. I know that you guys are doing that. Don't mess with Texas. Never. Slipper Jones, man. Diffy Dog was asking about you a minute ago. Slipper Jones, what's up? Drop the deuce in Texas. Peace. You said peace in Texas. Okay, I like it. I like it. Slipper Jones in the chat, baby. What's up, Slipper Jones? How you doing today, man? Hopefully you're doing good. Diffy Dog was asking about you earlier. I'm starting to wonder. I never see Diffy Dog and Slipper Jones in here at the same time. We might have some alter egos going on. I don't know. By the end of the stream, Clay will be the new Busta Rhymes. Practice makes perfect. Oh yeah, Sambretta bro. I still can't say Sambretta Broblo. Oh man. Is anybody like, okay, just honestly, try to say it really fast. Don't say Sambretta Broblo. Say it really fast. And then let me know in the chat right now if you can actually say, who is that? Who, Diffy Dog or Sambretta Broblo? If you guys can actually say it, let me know in the chat right now. If you're, and do it out loud. I don't care if you're at work. Like, don't go, because that's cheating. And that's not really, like, that's not legit. Say it out loud. Sambretta Broblo. Sambretta Broblo. And if you can't say it or if it's difficult to say, yeah, let me know. So, did you say it or did you not say it? I want to know right now because I can't be the only one that has a hard time saying Sambretta Broblo. I think Wrench dropped the other kind of deuce. I don't even know. I think he said peace, man. I think that's what it was. Clay, can I send you something private on Twitter? Got something going around? WhatsApp groups? Yeah, send it to me, man. Do I follow you on Twitter? Rocket! Ow now, brown cow. Oh no, oh, is that ow now, brown cow? Ow now, brown cow. 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 Is that what that was? Rocket, think of the super chat. I think I got that right. Is that now? Oh, maybe that's now now. Is that ow now or now now or now now? Now now, ow now, brown cow. 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 Dude, it's easy. You can easily do it. It's easy after a few attempts. Crypto Rocketeer, you're lying to yourself. And Slipper Jones can't say it. Kadisha, you could really say it honestly. Sambretta Broblo, Sambretta Broblo, Sambretta Broblo. I think Rocket may have fixed me. When you say out of brown cow, 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 like 50 times, Sambretta Blobo is really simple. Sambretta Blobo, Sambretta Blobo, Sambretta. No, it's not. Sambretta Blobo. My mama made me what? My mama made me mash my M&Ms. Oh, Rocket! Think of the super chat. Let's get this one. This one's a good one. My mama made me mash. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. 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 That one's easy. That one's cake, dude, right there. You know why? Cause my mama made me mash my M&Ms. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. Forget this M&M stuff, dude. I'm the real M&M. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. Oh my god. StockTwits blocked? What? I don't know if StockTwits is blocked. Vinty, why would you retract your message, man? Don't do that. What is happening? Just got here. Annie, apparently, I don't know brown cow is easy, is difficult to say, and so is my mom made me mash my M&Ms, but that one's a lot easier to say. But Sambretta Broblo is very, very difficult to say. Clay is verbally gifted. Nice try, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Mr. Levitz. My volume is off. Let me know when the contest is over. Contest is over, Banana Man. Contest is over. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. Hopefully M&Ms is not code for anything other than M&Ms. See? Yeah, exactly, Brett. Exactly. I'm getting better. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. My mama made me mash my M&Ms. Ow now brown cow, 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 ow now brown cow. M&M made me mash my M&Ms. Eminem's mama made me mash my M&Ms. Eminem's mama made me mash my M&Ms. Eminem's mama made me mash my Eminem's mama made me mash. You can't say Eminem's mama made me mash my M&Ms though. That one's difficult. Eminem's mama made me mash. No, it doesn't work out. 524-61 AMC looked same as 5 days ago. I don't know if it looks the same as 5 days ago, Kevin. I think he's very gifted. You should check out his OnlyFans. Yes, you should. I should make an OnlyFans. Just a blank one. Just a blank one. WTF, I just logged in. Are you okay? Gary! No. No, man. You know why? Because Mama made me mash my M&Ms, dude. Sembretta Broblo said it's a no-go. Oh, man, my mama made me mash my M&Ms. M&Ms, mama made me mash my M&Ms. It's tough, dude. Very tough. Oh, man. What do we got for AMC? Are we going to be trading sideways the rest of the day? Because that is not what I want to see. But at least we are green right now. Look at this. Down, up, down, up. All right. Let's give this bad boy one more shot here. With, like, a legitimate trend. Let's get this legitimate uptrend going. What is this, from yesterday? What is this trend line from? I don't even know where that's from, but it's the same angle. Don't need that. Alright, let's see if we can follow that legitimate trend line through the rest of the afternoon. Wow, that's really small, though. Let's zoom in. It's not fun. Is this practice for the squeeze? It is definitely practice for the squeeze, Gary. We got to make sure that we are on our game and we can talk and call out everything that's happening during the squeeze. Rocket, DSA Sports Consultant. What is going on? Where's Oil Tipped? I have no idea. Oil Tipped. Are you here, my friend? Are you here? Who's your daddy and what does he do? Let ET 2010. My dad is not Citadel and he does not work for Wall Street. What goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. Sufwan. Interesting. He's both. I missed it. My dad also works for Wall Street and is Citadel. Very interesting. Can't see anything. Yeah, I gotta follow you back. You liked my reaction yesterday from the bird pooping on you. Dude, there was no bird pooping on me yesterday. I'll tell you that, Tom. You guys really need to check out your messages before you send them. You guys really need to check out your messages before you send them. There's no bird pooping on me today, Tom. That's just weird, man. All right, let's see. Tom, go tag me in something right now. So I can follow you back. Risky, but you game, homie? Who texts me in? Who messaged me in this? Dang, I don't even know what he said. A vigilante. I'm gonna have to look and see what you said, man. I didn't see that. I gotta find Tom. I gotta follow Tom so he can message me. I might buy Jeffrey Epstein's Island after the squeeze. There you go. Sounds like a nice place. My dad works for Citadel and is Wall Street. Brett, I want your dad to be my dad. That's how your dad can afford $1 million gallon of milk. Oil Tipped as a lurker. I'm learning to lurk. Good. Speaking of going down, Elizabeth. How's your day going? Oh my God, Brett. I mean, Sam, Brett, you guys are the same person. I know it. What are your Twitter and Instagram handles so we can follow? Very good question. I'm pretty sure they're in the description below if you ever want to click on that. Claybro883, if you want to follow me there. Claybro, and I'll tell you what. Actually, I'm on right now. I'm not on Instagram right now because they don't have that on the tablet. No, I don't have that on the tablet. But if you go follow me on Twitter right now, I'll follow you back. Because I'm on that page right now where I can see everybody that follows me. So if you follow me on Twitter right now, I'll follow you back because I'm on there. Banana Man. Are the kids included? Maybe. It might be. It was Cricket Poo and it was the other day. Yeah, Cricket Poo the other day, but also a bird pooped on me that I posted on Twitter. I will help you get back on track. What is your opinion of AMC? Gary, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. My opinion of AMC is that yes, although it does look expensive right now because we're having a hard time breaking through $48 level of resistance, and we're sitting at $45 per share, and a lot of people think that AMC should be trading at $4 per share. So why would they spend $48 or $40 per share? Well, simple, because when the squeeze happens, we're going to be trading much, much higher than $40 per share, and it's going to be very nice. So if you're out there, if you don't have any shares of AMC, you're thinking about buying AMC, ask your questions in here, and I will answer them. My dad can afford $1 million gallon of milk, but is lactose intolerant, so he's waiting for Nickelback to finish in the bathroom. Oh my gosh. No! Brett's dad, don't drink the milk, man. If you're lactose intolerant, don't drink the milk. Course, so happy to leave. What now, Savvy? Is Course done for the day? I didn't understand what happened there. You can find me in your post from 28th August where the birth is on your hand. Put a reaction there on Twitter. Dude, the bird. Why do you keep saying birth instead of bird? It's not birth. Okay, so yeah. So I know Alicia might not be in here right now. So I have to show. Alicia sends me pictures. I don't want to say this really bad. Alicia sends me pictures of her kitty, okay? But look, tell me this thing isn't cute. I don't even like cats. But come on. And tell me that thing's not cute. I don't even like cats, and I think that thing's cute. That thing's amazing. I know there's got to be some people out there that actually like cats, and you're like, dang, that is a cute kitten. So if anybody actually wants a kitten, I don't know, you could probably get one off Alicia. I know the bird pooping on you is good luck, so what does it mean that my dog just... That's really good luck. They're all cute until they scratch your eyes out. Or until they make you sneeze like you're going to die. One of those ways. TF? What do you mean, Mr. Wrench? Yeah. Alicia, you in here? No, dude, I've never... I don't know. I can't have a cat. I'm way too... I'm listening to the audio right now. That didn't sound right. Well, that's because you didn't see my face, PDP. Come on. You gotta... You know that listening to this audio is going to be dangerous. You know that. You gotta watch my expressions with half the stuff that I say on here, too. Is it the only kitty you get in gym? It is, Rocket. It is. Oh, man. Come on. I'm a dog person all the way. Me too. I'm still allergic to dogs, but I would not as allergic to cats. Like, cats are just terrible. I've only been on this for a few months now, and I've learned a lot of stuff. Thank you very much, Sufan Omar. I appreciate that. I have a mouse knuckle. A what? A mouse? I don't even know what that is. Lock eyes, Chattanooga. All kittens are cute. Yes, kittens are cute. What did Bastille say? When it scratches your couch to oblivion, then it becomes uncute. Well, that one doesn't look like he's going to scratch anything. He just looks like he's going to sit in the Duncan Munchkins box all day long and play with those tiny little pumpkins. That's all he's going to do. Clay, just open Pandora's box. I love Pandora's box. Yes. Okay, I got to go find Tom. Tom! Oh, there you are. Hold on, there's Tom. Tom, I follow you. Tom now has 2 followers. I like it, Tom. Man, I'm going to go hang out with Tom one day, for sure. Tom seems cool. Tom seems like a cool guy. I can learn a lot. I can learn a lot from Tom. We have 16 cats. It'll be hard when you visit us. All right, dude. I'll just leave the window open, and then I'll turn into a little monster. Like, oh my God, I can't breathe because, and I'll be wheezing like, Tom. AMC is doing very well today. AMC Trapper. Natalie said Pandora's box. That's what I was talking about. Property taxes blow. Bad mail day today. Dude, where are you getting property taxes today? Property taxes were due like 2 months ago, man. How are you just now paying your property taxes? You got a late fee in there or something? Property taxes were due 2 months ago. Clay, you're the only YouTuber that has the cojones to read all of these crazy chats. I'm crazy, man. I'm crazy. We run a rescue organization for dogs and cats. Tom, that's what I'm talking about, man. You guys are amazing. It just keeps getting better and better. Just keeps getting better and better for Tom. I want to be Tom when I grow up. Tom Holland, man. Oh, goodness. Mine are due September 20th. Wait a second. Does everybody not pay their property taxes at the same time? Come on, Ohio. What are you doing making me pay my property taxes earlier than Banana Man? I made the mistake of Googling camel's toe because I actually needed to see many toes, how many toes the camel had. Bad decision. Out of 500 pictures, I found one picture of a legit camel toe. There's no way. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I feel like Google would prioritize an actual camel's toe. In that case, Alabama's October. What? Property taxes due in April and October. No, dude. Property taxes are due in like either I forget if it's January and July or like February and July. Yeah, man, property taxes suck. You are right. September for me. Does everybody pay their property taxes except for Ohio? Stephanie, where are you from, though? Follows you on Twitter just now. Ah, Daphne, I'll follow you back. Google always prioritizes. Yeah, they might, Sam. They might. I'll follow you back on Twitter right now. February and July. All right, Bopon. Where are you from, though? Are you from Ohio? Because now I'm wondering if everybody... Like, if Ohio's the only one. November, December, February, April. Chase, you got to pay your property taxes 4 times a year? Cali. Okay. You got to pay them all. You got to pay them all in January in California? Is that what you're saying? Lunchtime, Clay. See you in a couple hours. Luke! We will be back at 3 o'clock, man. Put some chapstick on while you say Ohio. I could do that. The Yankees. Maybe. Yes. Dang, do you pay your property taxes 4 times a year? February and September. What? Why is everybody paying their property taxes at different times? You should be an actor. You have charisma. Stephanie, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. I don't know. I feel like if you're going to be an actor, you got to hang out with a bunch of weird people. I don't know if I can handle it. Maine, August and December. Dude, what if you move and then you just keep moving every couple months and you move to the worst states possible and you keep getting ripped every month of the year in property taxes? Oh no, they charge me way too much for property taxes. Nick, yes, I know they charge me way too much for property taxes. Pay property tax 4 times a year in New York as well. I pay twice a year. I've seen Charisma dance with Charity too. Woo-hoo-hoo! Must have been nice, Brett. Did she give you change, or did you make it hail? Did you make it hail on her, Brett? Yeah, we don't use Twitter too much in Holland. Never did something with it. Yeah, dude, I never used Twitter either. Clay, I've literally never paid my property taxes. The sticker on my car is 3 years old, and at this point, I'm afraid to admit it. No, Sam, it's good deal. It's good, man. I went to the DMV last year to renew my tags, and they're like, you don't have any tags registered with us. I'm like, I've been driving my car. What do you mean I don't have any tags registered with you guys? I thought it was like 2 months late going to get them. They're like, dude, you didn't even get tags all last year. So actually, I was like 14 months late getting my tags. It happens. The dude's like, well, I guess you just got to skip a year then. And I was like, guess I did, my man. So it's all good. You just got like 3 years free. Miami Beach property taxes are the equivalent to the mother of all short squeezes. Outrageously expensive. Ocean Terrace. I can imagine that you were correct on that one. Can we hit the like button, please? Guys, do not forget to hit the like button, please. Use the phrase, no darn fooling around to remember. Common expression for people. Use the phrase, no darn fooling around to remember. No darn fooling around to remember. I don't even know if that's common. Chase, that's not even common for me, man. DSA, they don't even have knuckles. Of course, the Yankees. Oh, man. Of course, the Yankees. Your picture is the Yankees. Okay, let's see. I gotta follow... 7 people follow me, so I'm gonna go follow you guys. Grande is king. Follow you. Umar Ali, follow you. Daphne, follow you. Derek, follow you. Natural Ape, follow you. And Carl, following you, man. Look, guys, followed you right there. Anybody that wants to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back right now. Since I'm looking at it, I'll follow you back right now. But you got to go follow me now because we're only going to be here for 1 more minute. Then we're taking a break for lunch. Good thing you don't know anywhere. Go anywhere. No, dude. I was going, yeah, I was going places, and I even went through, it was oh man, I was at a DUI checkpoint one night. I go through. I didn't even know at that point that I thought my license, or I thought my tags were expired for like a month when I went to that checkpoint. And I go through, and dude looks at my license, and he's like, all right, go on. And I'm like, okay. And then I'm thinking, dude, my tags have been expired for over a month, and that dude didn't even care. Then I go to the DMV, and the guy's like, oh yeah, dude, you're not even in the system anymore. You've been expired for 14 months. So, I don't even know if they really care, man, if you renew your tags or not. I think you're going places, Clay. Thank you, Brett. You think I'm going places. I just don't go places. But I'm going places. Appreciate you, Brett. AMC Trapper's got me a lock, man. He says I'm not going anywhere. Brett says I am going places. Listen, Trapper, you listen to Brett. Don't do me. I don't like being followed. Mr. Levitz, did you follow me? If you follow me right now, I'll follow you. I'm going to hit that follow. Good deal, Al Capone. I'll follow you. Clay, you don't follow me. 1111 Simon, I can almost guarantee I follow you back, man. Well, 2 other people follow me. Apparently 2 people want me to follow them. Stonky Kong and Berserker Ape. I followed you guys, man. Followed you guys right there. Stonky Kong, Berserker Ape. Got you guys with that follow. Ooh, yeah. Simon, I have to follow you, man. Shave? I don't want a cat, though, dude. I don't want a cat. I'll sneeze. I try not to follow too many people on Twitter. It gives them an excuse to beat me up and tell the cops he was following me. Yeah, that does give people the excuse to do that, man, and that's up. What's up, fam? Late but here. DD214, it's time to go, man. It's time to go. Oh, man. Brett, WTF is life like in Texas, man. It's crazy in Texas, isn't it? All right, guys, listen. We're going to take off for lunch. We're going to be back at 3 p.m. If you want to shout out, do it. If you want to... We're ripping right now. I'll pull that back up. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back real quick. I can't promise that I'm going to be looking at it too much during the break, but if you follow me on Twitter right now, Claybro883, I will follow you guys back since I got it open and send it to you. It's long. All right, good deal, Tom. Good deal. AMC is doing very nice right now, bouncing off that support line, that trend line that we got going up. Hopefully we break through this resistance that we got here at 44.90 and we go above 45, and then after lunch it's going to be a beautiful day because we're going to be testing 48 again. That's what I'm hoping for. I ain't got time to bleed. Banana Man, I don't even know what that means, but good deal. Saying below, it's crazy. I can bring my gun into a restaurant, but I can't bring food into the gun store. It's very backwards, man. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! All right, guys, let's get these going. I don't have Instagram on my tablet, so I can't do that right now. AMC will be 100 by the time I'm back. Mr. Levitz, if AMC is 100 by the time I'm back, you got a free shirt, dude. Smell the 45s. That smells so good, dude. It smells so good. Your prediction was right about today, Clay. Green, baby. Positive. Felines. Oh, yes. Have a tuna salad. Lightly salted. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. But, guys, let's get the shout-outs and we'll come back later. Chase, man. Banana Man. Sean. Marky. Are you executed? Heck yeah. Very nice. Levitz, Hanson, Scott, Rocket, Tom P, Banana Man Positive, Mr. Normus, Cookie. Oh my gosh, Cookie is here. Thank you very much for coming back. Quesadilla in 5. Absolutely, Cookie. Quesadilla in 5. No, I might be eating some fried rice. I made some fried rice last night and I got a lot left over, so I might be eating that. You have an OnlyFans page? Doozers, not yet. Natalie, bye, Clay. See you later. Bye, everyone. Natalie, I will see you a little bit later, guys. 3 p.m., 2 hours, we will be back. Boat Bum, read his useless fact and then tell it again when I come back, man. Mr. Grande, Copera, thanks everyone. Angola, like and subscribe. Histo Music, thank you very much. AMC Trapper, peace out to the apes, baby. Sean, see you later. Cookie, see you later. Kit Lunch and DM Deal. Perfect, Cookie. Sounds good to me. 11 Mr. Simon. See you later, guys. After lunch, Levitt, see you later, guys. Now, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.